by Fashion City to start today's video off, guys. It's an early morning in Benidorm. Just see how busy it is around here, I guess. Pinocchio's shut. Oh, yeah. Looks like you can get a ham crepe, I think that is. Your way? I don't know. Spanish has gone down here a bit lately, guys. It is very quiet. Not really much open. Gonna pause here so I can sort my gimbal out. Think that's a bit better. Even after our restaurants and shops down the alleyways aren't open yet, guys. Not many people in town today yet. Just people going to work, I imagine. Candy shop, Diana there. Good place to get candy. Not too sure if they still do the manual bags of sweets, but still a good candy shop. Not over there. La Milano beer, Benidorm, I think that is. Don't tell it. Not open yet. And something I've never really noticed, there's a plaque up there. It says Plaza Mayor. So, next time something's in Plaza Mayor, it's probably up in the little square around here. It is honestly quiet. All the shops not even open yet, guys. Delivery drivers are. Vianda's not even open. Little Britannia even not open, guys. Probably too early, I guess. Preparing for the day there, guys. Ah, so that's Plaza Mayor Shopping Centre. If all the years I've been coming here, I never noticed that. I knew it was like a little shopping centre, I just didn't really know what it was called. I know the good things about Benidorm is all these little alleyways, guys, have tons of little bars going off them. English, Spanish, don't matter what they are, they're all very welcoming. Bar down the end of here, company bar. Used to do a quiz every night, which is like we're quite frequent to go to. Always a good laugh. think we only won it the one night, but other nights we just sort of failed at it. Got Casper's Eatery bar down there as well, and another Harry's bar. I'm not too sure what the temperature is, guys. So, I think what I'll do is I'll leave it till we get down. I'll try and see what that one says on there, because I've seen 11 degrees. So. Could be true. I don't know yet. It is early in the morning though, so that will be. Got the new sweet shop there, so Bora España. If you're into the Spanish sweets, or you just want a toffee apple, best place to go, that, guys. Another sweet shop there as well. Looks like they've still got some sort of little Christmas hampers in there as well. Pretty nice. News agents as well, if you want a newspaper, probably in Spanish, but coming down to like Poniente end of town now, and yeah, as you can see, it's even quieter down here, guys. I'm hoping I can at least get some sort of temperature reading down here. I'm not sure where the car's going. Your shop not even open. We'll warn you guys, not everything is the Euro into your shop. Don't say everything's the Euro, but still just be warned about that. Oh god. Yeah, seems like now we've got nearer like the beach, the wind started up again. 9:10 in the morning, 16 degrees. So if you plan on coming on a morning walk, maybe put a pair of trousers on, put like a hoodie or something on as well. I'll love and leave you all here, guys. Just say the hotel behind us that's been completely refurbished. It's like the hotel, the jewellery shop, cafe, all being refurbished. Anyway guys, hit the like, hit subscribe, comment down below whether you're an early morning person or you hate mornings. See you in the next one.